Before I finish this painting, I thought I'd show you guys how I started off with this. I wasn't planning on recording this, so that's why it's like kind of in the middle now. But I just thought I'd stop everything I was doing and go ahead and show you what I did. So I just got some MDF board here. And to get the colors on the board, the colors on the bottom for the sand, I mixed. I started 2 layers. I did the first layer with this satin finish acrylic paint parchment. And I let that dry. And then after that dried, I splashed some water on it with a spray bottle that I got sitting right there. And I added some ink, burnt umber. And I just dropped it on there and I moved it around, and I had gotten that texture from my gloves and my fingers doing like this. So I'm just kind of like, my talking sounds fun. I got the cat and the dog running around over there making all this noise. Okay, so then to get this color here, COVID virus is making them annoyed too. All right, now, what I did here on the board was I went ahead and put water on it, and I just had that on my fingers, so put water on it, grabbed paper towel, and I put ink on the water like that, and went all the way across, and I did it in layers. Once that was dry, then I sprayed it with, once it was dry, I sprayed it with some spray paint, clear gloss, or clear satin, so I can seal that so the colors don't blend and wash away once I put the second coat on. I wanted them to pile up. And right now I'm using an aqua, and this is how I got that on there. Just with paper towel, water, and ink. I just wanted to give myself a little bit of a base before I did the actual painting on here or put the resin on. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but I just wanted to get a base. And then in the back here, I used ink. Of course, I had to have my phthalo green in here somewhere because I love that color. So I got some phthalo green in there. But in the back, I used the sapphire blue here from this ink bottle. And then I also used Arteza's ultramarine acrylic paint. And I put that with water and a paper towel and just blended it in just like I did with the ink. Now I'll let that dry, and I might do it one more time. So just to give it a little more dimension, I want that to dry. But what I'll do now, after this dries completely, I'll spray it with the clear satin spray paint, just to seal it in there. Because if I add more paint or more water or resin, it could blend in ways I don't want it to blend. So I need to dry each layer really good first.